whether or not our amendment
Egekero ni kia gushirira riboti ya kamiti ya mwanya ya bunge ikoretwo gishirira IEBC atongoria ciama ni omerekeirio njara atongoria cio makiorotero gukugia amebara hindi ya kuheana tigiti ya ciama abunge makauga ati makoretwo magitio mbeca getha kuheo tigiti icio no magacoka gukugio wara na tigiti icio ikaheo ndore mari hakuhi na atongoria cio ciama.
We have seen parties where a good lieutenant collects 3 million on the promise that he will get a nomination certificate. And finally the party leader says, bring 20 million and you will get it, and you get the ticket. And the other 3 people have lost.
Why? It is not your problem. If I hop from one party to the other, is that a problem to you? Why should it be a problem to anybody?
Ndogamano ino yothe kiumana na irendekithia ria kamiti ya mwanya kwenda ati kuhingo guthama kuma kiama kimwe nginyagia kingi ndira macindo hindi ya wamurani wa ciama.
And these are parties which are funded by the taxpayers' money. You don't fund it. You don't sell land to come and fund parties. I've never heard Raila Odinga selling cows to fund court. I've never heard Uhuru Kenyatta selling sheep to fund parties. We fund these parties with the taxpayers' money.
We are making our party leaders dictators by default.
There are many people on this side that you will see on this side in a few months. There are many people on that side that will be on this side in a few months.
Nona bunge ni mararakitwo ni rendekithia riu ni rinyititwo mbaru ni atongoria miahoero ya kiuteti. Mutongoria wa ingi bunge-ini Aden Duale wa kana rucini ningi niwe urahandite murugamo ucio akiuga ati no murugamo wa mwaho wa Jubilee.
If you are scared of a clause on party hopping, be a politician enough, and from today say I will vie on an independent ticket. The constitution has given you a soft landing.
No gikaro kiu kia wakana kiambirira munini wa speaker Joyce Lamboso kuruta mwerekera wa kugiria riboti ya gutafanio mogaruruku thutha wa mogaruruku macio gutumura ndogamano wa gatatu.
the nation.
Mutongoria wa ingi onake ni atitithiritie ati gwitikio kwa riboti iyo nigo kuruta mweke wa gutwarithio kwa mutaratara uria wigitwo mwerekera-ini wa githurano kinene giukite. Rendekithia ni kugiria ati guthama kuma kiama kimwe nginyagia kingi rironeka kuroraka ateti aingi to bunge-ini ya bururi no nginyagia bunge-ini ya Senate ona thengia ya kwitukia riboti ino ya kamiti ya mwanya. No utongoria wa bunge ugatitithia ati uyu niguo murugamo wa atongoria a miahoero ya kiuteti President Uhuru Kenyatta na mutongoria wa kodi Raila Odinga. Grifu Watara Inoro TV, Retora Kuna Masharia, Wagashuru.